Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, rear window defroster, tachometer, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.